All right, so we have a colorful board of balloons, and our challenge is to get the most points by bursting the most balloons. But there's a point system: 100 points gold, 50 points orange,
so
12 points
you can't
blue,
take one little joke?
10 points pink.
One little darts.
No.
Okay.
So we're going to go turn our back. Roll that down again, make I read up the points, them thing again. 50 points, 100 points for gold, 50 points orange and red, 20 points blue, 10 points pink and
I would
yellow.
like to suggest that this gold one is out of the runnings.
No, that is why it is 100 point feet.
No.
Where is that? Where is stand up? Right here?
Look quite deflate up. Nobody can. Me now move. Hold on. Hold on.
100 point gold. Red. How much we get for red again?
They will tally the points. Just go on, man.
What? Let me not kill you.
Okay. Go and take out your darts, please.
Red.
Go and remove your...
No, me not...
I wasn't going to do... You don't trust...
No, I don't.
20 years later in April and you don't trust me?
No, I don't.
I joke. Go on, man. Okay. Where was he standing, Londis?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, on the marks. Get set. Flang.
Yes, man. The flang is right. Me love the flang there. It's up that tree. You get green.
My apologies to the bush. Oh, but that's green. It's green one?
No.
Okay, ready?
Flang again. What that? Yellow.
Yellows.
Gold. Nice. No. I'll get them for you.
I don't want you to touch them. You're going to salt them up. Give me.
I can't salt more than that one where you took that tree from yourself.
I'll tell you I'm very talented. And strong. Okay, how much did I burst up? What did I burst up?
Just one, and I burst one. So.
What color was the one I did?
Eh? Yeah?
What?
Yeah!
Excuse me. I have a question. Wait, no, Landell. Why was I standing here but Nefril was just right
here?
You see the teeth?
No,
you see your teeth?
I was the same spot, right
20
here.
years of celebrating TVJ and 20 years of you getting T4 with each passing year. I'm going to stand where you stood then. I'm going to get that. Good. It's okay. I got a gold one. It's 100 points. That's more than you got, Nev. Did I win? Did I win?
Oh, you must win.
I won because I hit a goal. That's 100 points.
Where you hit the goal, please?
See it right there, Di.
This?
Yes.
Oh, it's not your burst.
It were me. It were me. Just like that. You see, ladies and gentlemen, the story is after 20 years, teeth never prosper.
So after me bust so much thing?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Give me that, them. Sell them up. Make me all fling them. Go on back. Whoa. I should know the game start. Anyway, I beat you, guy.
Yeah!
I beat you.
Dead.
Shake. Way.
Alright. So what is the points tally?
I won.
What is the points tally?
I won.
You cannot win.
Roll back down the prompter.
We're going to go for a break. Roll out on the
100 points.
Yeah, but